guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will be looking how to make the yearly planner. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So firstly, this video is all about making the planner out of a notebook. So in this video I will be sharing with you how you can easily customize your own planner by adding the things that you want in your planner. So but before that, let's discuss the notebooks that you can use. Now here you can use either these kinds of small notebooks, like this is the normal ruled notebook which you can use, or else we have the next option, that is these types of small notebook. These are also ruled ones, but in this video I will be using this notebook. So this is little longer in size, and this is like the notebook which has thick pages. So this will be more convenient for me to make my planner, because whenever we write anything on the front page, we have to make it sure that it is not transferred to the next page. So hence, if you are having a notebook with thick pages, then you can go with that one as well. So now let's start with making a planner. So first we will be putting a cover on this. So here I have few printed sheets. So this is the printed sheet that I have got printed with the details that I wanted. Now the thing is, what we will be doing is, firstly I will be covering this with the white sheet which I have. So this is like the drawing sheets which I have. So in this way I have created this 2024-2025, and our cover page is finally ready. Now let's finally start designing our planner from inside. Let's move on with the second page. Okay, now this page is going to be our last year review. Now if you're new to this like work of planner, then let me tell you about this page. So this is the page where you jot down the things that happened in your last year. Be sticking a sticky note. Okay, so this is my last year review page. Now we will be moving on with our next page. Now this page is very important, as it is going to be very useful for me. That is, I will be creating a YouTube video idea page. So this you can see, even we can write it here, and we can even write the video ideas here, even the short ideas here. So here, according to that, I have planned these are the things which we are going to need yearly. Like this is going to be common pages, but now we will be making for the month. So we will be starting our planner for the month of May. So as I made the cover page for my planner, in the same way I made it for the month of May as well. So this is going to be the cover page for the month of May. Here I have designed it. So I have written the name of the month, as well as few things like I love flowers and floral patterns and all that. So keeping that in my mind, I have made this whole page. Now we are going to stick it on this. So I will be showing you for the month of May. Same things, same pages we are going to repeat. Okay, so I have sticked this page. So this is going to be the first page for the month of May. Now we will be designing this month. We will be designing the pages for this month. So let's get started with that. Okay, so what is the idea of this page is we will be creating is an overview page for this month. Now if you don't know what this means is actually here we will be creating is a small calendar wherein we will be leaving some space for each of the day where you can write down the important tasks that you are supposed to do on that particular day. So that's what we will be doing on this page. Now this is going to be like the whole monthly spread for you wherein you have all the dates written with all the important tasks. Now I will be using these wax crayons. Okay guys, so here I have made same for the days of the week, that is for Friday, Saturday and Sunday. This is the thing which I have added new, that is important dates and tasks. So here I have even written a quote and here I have made this space for notes, and this is our overview page. I will be ending this video right here. In my next video I will be showing you how you can make the trackers. Now the way we are going to make the trackers are going to be super interesting, so it might take some time because I will be explaining you how you can draw them, how you can design them. So everything we will be discussing in detail, so it will take some time. So I have decided to make a separate video for that. Along with the trackers we will be making few important pages as well, so stay tuned for that. And that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, so don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I will upload my latest brand new video. And until then, stay happy, stay safe and love yourself. Bye.